What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is September 13th, exactly a week before I hit my 2-month mark since I posted my first video on YouTube. I'm recording this video today for logistical reasons, and the plan initially was to post a video, a progress update specifically, sometime in mid-October. But now I've decided to share a progress update video every single month to keep you guys posted and hopefully so that I can inspire some of you to start something of your own. I currently have 961 views, 31.5 hours of watch time, and 62 subscribers. And at the end of my first month, I had 10 hours of watch time and 23 subscribers. So I've more than tripled my watch time, almost tripled my subscriber count, and I didn't keep track of my views, but I'll do that going forward. To me, this is huge. And for fun, I typed my name into YouTube search, and it was really refreshing and kind of surprising just to see my channel show up at the very top and to just see that number, 62 subscribers. And when I browse through the videos I posted, it's crazy to think that about 2 months ago I had 0 videos and today I have 15 videos. I'm gonna break this video down into 3 parts: what I've kept the same, what I've changed, and what my plans and goals are for the future. So here's what I've kept the same. I've been consistently posting videos every Monday and Thursday with the hope of having at least 50 videos by the end of the year. My first few videos took me between 10 and 12 hours to make per video, and I've cut that down to about 8 to 10 hours now. I've gotten even more efficient with recording and editing, and now it takes me even less time to do exactly the same things that I was doing before. I've stuck to using the same intro and outro, although I may change that later. The hardest part of all of this is just not having enough time. It's really hard to balance 40 to 50 hours of work per week, in addition to the mental energy, stress, time and effort and learning that goes into every single video I make and with growing this channel. And this isn't really a problem for me right now, although I do think from time to time I invest all this time into making one video, and sometimes it's a little disheartening to see how many views I get, although we all have to start somewhere, and who knows, these may be the starting points and stepping stones for me to eventually get the hundreds of views that I'm looking for. The biggest driver for me still remains the same. I want to help college students. It's something I'm passionate about, and that passion hasn't gone away in spite of all the time it takes for me to make these videos. So I'm hopeful that the view count and subscriber count does go up, because again, the goal is to hit 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And they both seem pretty out of reach for me, and the 4,000 hours of watch time is going to be especially challenging. I didn't realize just how hard it's going to be to hit that target until today, when I was actually trying to calculate just how much effort and time and videos I would have to make at the rate I'm growing. What I haven't accounted for is the fact that I really haven't marketed this channel much, and that was intentional. I wanted to keep this channel under the wraps, share it with my close friends and family for now, until I developed a solid portfolio. I wanted to get past that learning curve. I wanted to produce videos of relatively good quality, and I'm past that point where I'm no longer looking at Premiere Pro, dazed and confused. I kind of have a good idea as to how I should go about making videos. So now I feel a lot more confident. I'm probably going to be marketing this in the next week or so. So hopefully that'll give me enough momentum to then get more subscribers and more people watching my videos. I'm planning to market this on LinkedIn and Facebook, and my mentees and friends are kind enough to share and support and do all of that to help me out as well. And here's what I've changed. When I first started making my videos, I was putting the intro at the very beginning, and now I'm putting it after I briefly introduce what the topic is going to be about. And also I was playing around with blurring out my background because some people told me the reflection in the TV was kind of distracting. And after I started blurring out the entire background, people said that was even more distracting. So now what I do is I just blur out a small part of the reflection in my TV so that it's less distracting. It's the best I can do for now. Unfortunately, I just don't have the space to be able to record my videos in a place where things may be less distracting. And again, if this channel takes off, if it grows, then maybe I might be able to get my own place or invest into more equipment, or maybe some kind of green screen or backdrop to change up the background. And because I've gotten more efficient with recording and editing, I've also experimented with adding memes, pictures, and extra video into my videos, so it's like a video within a video. And all this has been a super big learning experience for me, and I'm loving every single bit of it. My plans and goals for the future. It's hard to gauge just how many subscribers and how much more watch time I'll get by the end of my 3rd month, and I'm hoping to have at least 200 subscribers and 100 hours of watch time by then. And that's a little more than triple what I currently have, and I'm hopeful I can achieve the same growth that I experienced in my last month. So we'll just have to wait and see. After getting a lot of feedback from my friends and others, I've realized that I will probably have to go past December for me to see optimal results. A lot of the big YouTubers have said that they didn't see results even after a year. So now I'm thinking, why not do this more long term? It does take a lot of time and effort and energy, but I am becoming more efficient. And who knows, by the end of December, I may be at a point where every video takes me maybe 3 to 4 hours, which would be very ideal. And that would not be as big of a time commitment for me to continue posting 2 videos every single week, if not more. So I'm just not sure right now, but that's where my headspace is at. I'm also going to be trying to up my editing game, and I'm going to be investing my time into learning new things as well. So that concludes this 2-month progress update video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'm looking forward to the rest of this journey, however long it's going to be, and I'll talk to you guys soon.